Okay, bunny ears question, right? So one thing is, this one certainly you could do with a loop. You could just do, basically you got to return however many bunnies you have times 2 because that's how many ears they have. So, this would work, right? This would be the right answer, but we want to practice our recursion skills here. So the idea is, remember, for recursion, you need 2 cases, the base case, which is sort of like a stopping case, and then a recursive case that makes it one step simpler. So in this case, I believe the base case would be like this first one here, where if you have 0 bunnies, then you have no ears, right? So basically I would just do if bunnies equals 0, then I just want to return that there are 0 ears. All right, and then the recursive step would be my else. And in this case, I just want to make it one simpler. Okay, so just to help us think about this, if I had bunny ears with 5, right, what I want to do is I want to make it one step simpler, so I'm going to call it with bunny ears of 1 less bunny, which would be 4. And so I would also have 2 ears for the 5th bunny. 2 ears for the 5th bunny plus however many ears there are for 4 bunnies. Okay, and then, when you have bunny ears 4, that's just going to say, well, that's 2 ears plus however many ears there are for 3 bunnies. So you basically just, each bunny has 2 ears, so to make it one step simpler, you do 2 plus recall the method. Okay, so to do this in the generic case, if I have bunny ears with n bunnies, well, it's just 2 plus however many ears there are for n minus 1 bunnies. So I would just recall the method with 1 less input, right? So back in our code, right? So we are just going to we're going to return. So this method always returns an int. And I'm going to return the method, if I call the method with 1 less bunny, so it would be bunnies minus 1, all right, plus the 2 ears from the current bunny. So it'll be 2 plus bunny ears, where it's bunnies minus 1. And again, going back and thinking about this, it's just going to keep going backwards and backwards more and more and more until you hit, right? So in here, we're just going to keep going dot, 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 until we get bunny ears of 0, in which case that's just going to return 0, and then it'll call it up the chain. So if we had like bunny ears 1 is equal to 2 plus bunny ears of 0, right? So then we'll finally hit the base case here, and once bunny ears of 0 is 0, then this will just say, well, now we know this is a 0, so bunny ears 1 must be 2 plus 0, so this is now 2, and then it'll call it back up the chain and so forth and so on, right, until we get all the way up to the top and have our actual bunnies. All right, so let's see if we got this right, and it looks like we're still all green, good to go. Post questions if you have them or ask a classmate. Thank you.